Hey guys, welcome to Food Tales. I'm Trinity.
And I'm Bo.
And today we'll be having some
spaghetti meatballs.
Yay! So we made some cheese fondue along with it. And we got very special
Giveaway!
Yay!
So one lucky foodie from our foodie fam, of course, so you have to be subscribed, will win a Jord watch. So we have ours on.
Yeah.
It's so amazing and awesome.
I love mine. I love mine so much, man. I can see the insides of the watch.
Yeah, so it's made of like natural wood and stuff, but you can read that all. To win the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed and comment down below which watch you want to win. So you can check out the watches they have on their website. We'll link you down below. And yeah, that's all you have to do. Easy peasy.
Oh, and it's a like this video.
Yeah.
Like this video.
Sure, like that video too.
Like the video.
Okay, so let's see how we made these spaghetti meatballs.
Hey guys, today we are going to be making meatballs. Here are all our ingredients. We have pork and beef bits, some spaghetti, oregano, pre-made sauce because fritters, some tomatoes in a jar. I like these ones. These are my favorite. They taste really nice. They're like really sour and juicy. Got some milk for the breadcrumbs. And these are Japanese panko crumbs, which is similar to breadcrumbs. It's fine. Anyways, we got some garlic, because we love garlic. Did I say cheese? Okay, and we have some mozzarella cheese to make some cheese sauce. These are panko crumbs. Panko breadcrumbs. And we're just gonna... That didn't work out well. Okay, pretty much just half a cup of panko crumbs. You're gonna soak it with milk. You let this soak for 20 minutes. Like, you think it was soaked, it's already soaked like in 5 minutes, but it's not completely soaked. You need to wait 20 minutes for it to soak in. So it's been 5 minutes, and this is what it looks like. The breadcrumbs look soaked, but they're not really. Like, I'll come back in another 15, and that's when they'll look completely soaked. Okay, the breadcrumbs have been soaking for a bit longer, maybe another 5-10 minutes, and they're the right consistency. Like, if you turn it upside down, it won't come out. So that's what you want, and you're just gonna add it into here. And then along that, I'm gonna add some oregano leaves. Probably like a tablespoon of this, and it's gonna take a while. Some garlic salt. We just found this, so we're just going to use it to replace salt. A bit of garlic, just like probably like 2 cloves worth. Some soy sauce, just a bit. Just to bring out the umami flavor in the meat. That should be it, and then you just mix it up, which I'm gonna do. Oh, I forgot the pepper. Our meatballs, we have 5 pieces. We try to make them really equal, and they're about tennis ball size. I think they're bigger. They're bigger, but a little cooked down. Alright, so we're gonna throw these in the pan now. We want to sear the outside, so have the pan really, really hot. And we're just gonna
We want to see all sides, so we'll just rotate them.
Tomatoes, we're just gonna pour it in. Fucking potato! This is the Jord sauce. Pouring in the Jord sauce.
That looks good.
Remaining garlic. If you like garlic. If you don't like garlic, just skip it.
And we're going to simmer that for 20 minutes.
Olive oil, it says extra virgin. Okay, I'm excited to try the meatball. I want to see what it tastes like. I forgot to put egg in it, but it should be okay. It should be more meaty, I guess.
Yeah, so it's fully cooked through. And I actually am gonna try some sauce, some cheese sauce with it.
Same.
So we just poured the cheese sauce on the side.
Yep. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that's really cheesy.
Wow. Meatball has really good flavour.
Spaghetti's nice. It's nice and sour. Oh, I like it. I don't like sweet spaghetti.
Yeah. When we were younger, we loved sweet spaghetti. But I don't know, as you get older, you like more bitter, sour stuff. So Jord contacted us and said that they wanted to run a giveaway with us. So we also got free watches as well.
Yeah.
And we got to choose our own watches. And I chose this, like, I'll let you guys see. Like, it's made of, like, natural wood. And it's kind of plain. But I really like it because the big face makes my wrist look smaller, even though I guess I don't really need it. But I don't know, I just want to look smaller for some reason.
My one is really nice. It's rose gold with black. and you can see the inside of the watch, and it kind of moves. It's pretty cool. I mean, we haven't set the time. Wait, did we set the time?
I haven't set my time.
I haven't set my time.
I don't use my watch.
I don't use my watch for time. I just use it for fashion statement or something.
Exactly.
And these watches are really nice. They feel pretty solid, you know.
And they have so many to choose from. I took so long to choose.
Did you? I took like 5 minutes because I knew what I wanted.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted a black watch. So you guys make sure to enter the giveaway. Don't miss out, you know. It could be your lucky day. You know,
yeah, it's totally free too.
It's free to subscribe. It's free to enter.
Yeah, pretty much. And free to like the video. Haha. I want to put some cheese on the spaghetti.
And cheese has a lot of flavour.
Okay. We've got extra sauce here in case we need it.
Yeah. I really like the meatball.
This is really good. Yeah. They also asked what size your wrist is, so be careful measure it. I measured incorrectly, which made Trinity measure incorrectly.
I told her my wrist size is 16 centimeters. And she's like, no! My wrist size is 20 centimeters. And I didn't have a measuring tape on me. So I was just like, okay, I'm just going to put 22 centimeters because my wrist is bigger than her wrist because I have bigger bones than her because I'm taller. And like, yeah, so 22 centimeters. I had to take 70 links off. Yeah.
So luckily we had the tools at home we could do it. But yeah, be careful guys. Measure your wrist properly.
Yeah, Bo's wrist is 15 centimeters.
Yeah.
I'm 16.
So don't make that mistake. Yeah, when it came I was like, whoa, it's big. Uh-oh. Run and hide, run and hide. Trinity's coming for me. And she came in, she's like, here's a measuring tape. Measure your wrist. And I was like,
I actually did that.
I was like, put it on. 15. And she just left. Oh my god. I think I oversalted the cheese sauce.
But it works well with everything.
Yeah. Luckily it worked out, but yeah. Just bear in mind for you like cheese sauce.
It gets really salty.
Yeah, don't salt. Maybe salt it when it's cooled down, or the temperature you're gonna eat it at. Because I salted it when it was like boiling hot, and then when it cooled down, it's just a piece of salt now.
It's okay. It salted the pasta.
Is this the first time we made spaghetti meatballs?
I think so.
Yeah, I think so too. I think like it's a common thing for most people to eat, but this is our first time making spaghetti meatballs.
Yeah. It's my first time making meatballs. So I forgot the egg. Like, we honestly didn't even look up a recipe. We just know there's breadcrumbs in it or something.
I'm gonna show you guys the box it came in. It's pretty awesome. Hold on. Yeah, so this is the box. This is my box. And it's got like, you know, the little symbol. It's like real wood. And it's got like this thing underneath.
It's like all...
I don't even know what it does. Yeah, and then you open it up.
It feels so luxurious.
And there's like this little cushion. It feels really good. Cleaning cloth of some sort. Yeah, I don't know. Like extra stuff.
Wood is really solid.
Yeah, and then like, so cool. And then it's got like this cool thing in the bottom.
Don't know what it is. Don't know what it is.
Man, they really did good on the packaging though. If you guys like packaging. And the actual other box that this box comes in is pretty good too.
This video wasn't sponsored.
Yeah, oh yeah, it's not sponsored by the way, guys. I'm gonna put this away in case I get my sauce on it. So yeah, we made our meatballs out of beef and pork, so it should be more moist. But I guess like there's some people who can't really eat pork. You can just make
it's really
it
moist
full beef, but maybe find a more fatty cut of beef. Wow. I really like the cheese sauce.
You made the cheese sauce.
Oh.
I prefer smaller meatballs. These big meatballs, they can dry out pretty fast. Like, they're not really that dry because of the soaked breadcrumbs of the milk. But yeah. Yeah, so do you guys use your watch to tell the time, or do you guys just use it as a fashion statement? I'm pretty sure 90% of the people use it as a fashion statement.
I mean, I don't put on my watch thinking, I need to know the time. I put on my watch thinking, yeah, this will go out. I'm good with my outfit.
What hats do you use it to block out the sun, or do you use it for fashion statement purposes? Fuck.
Who the hell blocks out the sun with a hat? I mean, I know you can do it, but I'm just saying. I don't know.
I'm pretty sure some people use hats to block out the sun.
Yeah. I mean, like, I guess, like, if you work outdoors and stuff, you'd be used to that kind of stuff, but, like, who goes out with the mentality, oh, it looks sunny outside, I'm gonna put on a hat?
Some people do it. I do it sometimes.
No way. What? When you look outside and it's super sunny and
yes.
I'm gonna put on a hat.
Yes.
Not because it makes...
To protect my fair skin.
Fair enough.
I don't know. Some people like... some of my friends are like, oh my god, you're so white. And they say it in a way where it's supposed to be offensive. And then like,
what?
Yeah, they're like, oh my god, you're so white. Like,
Really?
oh my god, you're white.
Someone said
And one of my friends said, oh my god, you're whiter than me, yeah? And then I looked them straight in the eye and I told them, bro, I want to be white. I don't want to be tan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why? I want to be white too. Like, fair skin.
And they're like, oh, okay. Because, like, all my friends are self-tan themselves to make themselves darker. Like, I don't know why. Maybe it's to make them look more athletic. Because you do look more athletic when you're more
people,
tan.
yeah, look more toned and athletic, yeah. And
you look skinnier too.
Yeah, because when you're pale white, you just look like a pudge.
You look like punch unless you like legit like a stick.
Yeah.
Then you can't tell. You literally can't call that person fat. I really like this sour sauce with the cheese.
Balance it out.
So good. You're really eating that cheese.
Yeah. There's so many calories in that cheese. Oh my god, now I'm scared. I know what I put in there.
Now you're scaring me. I legit mix my pasta in with it.
Well, I think you have to not eat for a week because that thing's really fatty.
Great. I want a Burger King Hungry Jacks. Okay guys, that is the end of our video. Please make sure to enter our giveaway.
In order to enter the giveaway, be sure to be subscribed, like our video, and comment down below which watch you want to win.
Keep an eye out next week for one of our videos because we will be announcing the winner in that video. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye!